Mini tools may be small in size, but they deliver big when it comes to convenience, versatility, and problem solving. Whether you're fixing gadgets, assembling furniture, or tackling quick household repairs, having the right compact tools at hand can save time and effort. From precision screwdrivers and pocket-sized wrenches to multifunctional pliers and portable flashlights, these mini essentials pack the power of full-size tools into a lightweight, easy-to-carry design. Perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and travelers alike, mini tools prove that sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference. JOREST 59 Pieces Small Screwdriver. The JOREST 59-piece small screwdriver set is a must-have mini toolkit for anyone who loves DIY repairs, gadget maintenance, or precision work. Priced at just $13, this set delivers excellent value with its ergonomic handle design, durable CRV steel bits, and strong magnetic feature for secure bit placement. Beyond screwdrivers, it comes with a wide range of accessories, including pry bars, tweezers, cleaning tools, and even a SIM card ejector, making it perfect for electronics, smartphones, and other delicate devices. Organized neatly in a sturdy storage box with labeled compartments, this kit ensures convenience, portability, and efficiency. Compact yet versatile, the JOREST 59-piece set proves that essential mini tools don't need to take up much space to get the job done. Mr. Rui 10-in-1 Putty Knife. The Mr. Rui 10-in-1. Putty Knife is a versatile mini tool that brings incredible value for just $8. Designed for both home improvement enthusiasts and professional painters, this multifunctional scraper goes far beyond applying and removing putty. With its polished, rust-proof stainless steel blade, it offers durability, efficiency, and a longer lifespan. The ergonomic handle, crafted from PP and TPR materials, ensures a comfortable, firm grip for extended use without strain. From scraping paint and glue to pulling nails, opening cans, and even cleaning rollers, this compact yet powerful tool handles multiple tasks with ease. A true all-in-one solution, the Mr. Rui 10-in-1 Putty Knife is proof that a single mini tool can replace a whole drawer of equipment. Ryobi ONE Plus. The Ryobi ONE Plus Cordless Inflator is a powerful and convenient mini tool priced at $98, designed to make inflation tasks fast and effortless. Powered by the 18-volt ONE Plus battery system, it delivers high-pressure airflow, ideal for car tires, bike tires, sports equipment, and other inflatables. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, store, and use on the go, while the Quick Connect air hose coupler ensures hassle-free setup for rapid inflation. Built with durable plastic and metal components, this inflator is made to withstand regular use. With its simple one-handed operation, the Ryobi ONE Plus combines portability, strength, and ease of use, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. MILWAUKEE Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee 1/2-inch Impact Wrench is a powerhouse mini tool priced at $90, built for professionals and DIY users who demand efficiency and strength. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers up to 950 foot-pounds of tightening torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of loosening torque, making heavy-duty fastening jobs faster and easier. While sold as a bare tool, battery and sockets not included, it's fully compatible with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries for cordless convenience and extended runtime. With 4 variable speed settings, including an auto stop reverse, you can customize performance while preventing over-tightening or damage. Its universal 1/2-inch hog ring design allows quick accessory changes, doubling as an impact driver or screwdriver. Built-in LED lighting ensures visibility in dark or confined spaces, adding safety and precision. Durable, versatile, and powerful, this Milwaukee Impact Wrench is an essential addition to any toolkit. YEX-BUR Cordless LED Lantern. The YEX-BUR Cordless LED Lantern is a versatile and durable mini tool priced at $39, perfect for both work and outdoor adventures. Powered by Makita 18-volt batteries, battery not included. This lantern delivers up to 2,000 lumens of brightness with 3 adjustable lighting modes: floodlight, spotlight, or a powerful combination of both. Designed for long-lasting performance, it can run up to 48 hours on a 6.0 amp-hour battery in flashlight mode, ensuring reliable illumination when you need it most. Beyond lighting, it also functions as an emergency power supply, equipped with a 5-volt USB port to charge phones, earbuds, or other small devices. Built with high-strength, drop-resistant PC material and a rubberized ergonomic handle, it's rugged enough for tough environments while remaining comfortable to carry. With its 90-degree pivoting head and hanging hook, the YEX-BUR lantern offers flexible, hands-free lighting for job sites, camping, or emergency situations. Magnetic Wristband. The magnetic wristband is a practical and innovative mini tool priced at $20, designed to make DIY projects and repairs easier than ever. Equipped with 9 powerful neodymium magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, drill bits, and even small tools like pliers and cutters, so you'll never lose track of your essentials while working. Made from lightweight, breathable neoprene fabric, it's comfortable, flexible, and hypoallergenic, with a wrist support design that adds stability during tough tasks. The adjustable strap with thumb loop ensures a snug fit, while its clever design prevents slipping or rotation, keeping everything firmly in place. Perfect as a gift for handymen, fathers, or DIY enthusiasts, this wristband combines convenience, comfort, and utility into one simple tool. At just 1.85 ounces, it's a must-have accessory for anyone who works with small parts and wants to keep their hands free and efficient. HOTO Cordless Brushless Drill. The HOTO Cordless Brushless Drill is a stylish, high-performance mini tool priced at $80, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Designed with a premium minimalist aesthetic that even earned the 2022 IF Design Award, it combines sleek looks with practical functionality. Powered by a durable brushless motor and a 2,000 mAh built-in battery, this drill delivers up to 30 Nm of torque with 30 adjustable gears, offering precision for a variety of tasks. The LED display screen provides real-time torque, battery status, and directional guidance, while its pulse mode ensures safe operation, especially for beginners. Unlike bulky traditional drills, the HOTO is lightweight at only 1.94 pounds and charges via USB-C, making it incredibly portable and easy to power anywhere. Compact yet powerful, this cordless drill is ideal for home improvement, furniture assembly, and everyday projects, making it not just a tool, but also a thoughtful housewarming or birthday gift. 3-in-1 Rechargeable Window Vacuum. The 3-in-1 Rechargeable Window Vacuum is a smart and versatile mini tool priced at $50, designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and streak-free. Combining spraying, wiping, and vacuuming in one device, it eliminates the hassle of juggling multiple tools. With a powerful 1,500 Pascal suction, it quickly absorbs water and dust, leaving windows and surfaces spotless. The large water tank reduces refills, while the long-lasting rechargeable battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Built with IPX7 waterproofing, it's safe for a wide range of tasks. Lightweight and compact, it features one-button operation for effortless use, making it ideal for home, car, and everyday cleaning. More than just a window tool, it works on mirrors, tiles, shower glass, and tables, giving you all-in-one convenience for a sparkling clean home. Chamfer Plane-Woodworking. The Chamfer Plane is a compact and efficient woodworking mini tool priced at $33, designed to make edge trimming and chamfering faster, easier, and more precise. Built with adjustable depth control, it adapts to different wood types and project needs, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. Equipped with high-strength carbon steel blades, it delivers sharp, smooth results while maintaining safety through its protective retaining edge. The tool also features horizontal and vertical bubbles for easy leveling, making it beginner-friendly and reliable for professionals alike. Lightweight, portable, and comfortable to hold, the Chamfer Plane is simple to operate, assemble, and disassemble. Perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects, This versatile tool helps you achieve smooth, polished edges with minimal effort. Milwaukee Mini Chainsaw. The Milwaukee Mini Chainsaw is a powerful and compact mini tool priced at $45, built for fast, efficient pruning and cutting. Featuring an 800-watt high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers strong performance, longer runtime, and extended motor life. Compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries, battery not included, it ensures cordless convenience with built-in low-voltage protection for safe operation. Designed for versatility, it comes with a 2-in-1 6-inch and 8-inch bar setup, making it suitable for trimming small branches or tackling thicker wood. The automatic oiler provides continuous chain lubrication, while the tool-free chain tensioner allows quick adjustments with no extra tools required. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, this lightweight chainsaw reduces fatigue and offers excellent maneuverability, even in tight spaces. With a cutting speed of 26 feet per second, it slices through 4-inch wood in just 8 seconds and delivers up to 70 cuts per charge with the right battery, making it a reliable companion for yard work, pruning, and wood cutting. Measuring Square Ruler. The Measuring Square Ruler is a versatile mini tool priced at $15, designed to bring precision and efficiency to woodworking, DIY projects, and construction tasks. Combining the functions of a rafter square and triangle ruler with imperial scales, it allows for accurate measurement, calibration, and marking, all in one compact tool. Its 3D multi-angle design makes it easy to measure length, width, vertical height, and angles from 0 to 90 degrees without repositioning, ensuring faster and more accurate layouts. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy with laser-engraved markings, it delivers durability, stability, and long-lasting readability. The set also includes a carpenter pencil with built-in sharpener, 6 break-resistant refills, and an Allen wrench for added convenience. Portable, precise, and professional, this Measuring Square Ruler is an essential tool for carpenters, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. EXPEDMAN Cutter. The EXPEDMAN Cutter is a premium mini tool priced at $70, built for precision, power, and durability in high-frequency cutting tasks. Equipped with a titanium-coated SKO 7 blade, it delivers exceptional sharpness and wear resistance, capable of making over 100,000 cuts without dulling, far outlasting ordinary blades. Powered by a 2,000 mAh battery and a 300 revolutions per minute motor, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime and recharges quickly in just 1.5 hours via USB. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight at only 0.83 pounds, with an ergonomic design that reduces wrist strain, making it especially user-friendly for long projects or those with hand pain. Safety is a priority with its lock mechanism and blade guard, ensuring both secure operation and blade protection. Complete with a storage box, spare blade, and accessories, the EXPEDMAN Cutter is ideal for slicing through cardboard, leather, carpet, plastic, and more. A must-have tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Fanttik M10 ACE. The Fanttik M10 ACE is a cutting-edge mini tool priced at $99, combining compact design with professional-grade performance. Weighing just 1.66 pounds, it's powered by a brushless motor, delivering 10,000 RPM speed and a 20mm cutting depth, making it perfect for tackling a wide range of household and DIY projects. Its smart LED display lets you track modes, battery life, and charging alerts at a glance, while the Easy Shift system allows quick switching between materials with a simple twist. Safety is built in with a 2-step start mechanism and an aluminum shield guard, ensuring full control and protection during use. Powered by an 18.5 watt-hour USB-C rechargeable battery, it offers fast charging and impressive runtime, cutting a 3mm PVC pipe up to 75 times per charge. Complete with 4 pro-grade blades for metal, wood, tile, and more. The Fanttik M10 ACE is a versatile all-in-one cutter that elevates any toolkit. CRAFTSMAN Work Light. The CRAFTSMAN Work Light is a reliable and versatile mini tool priced at $40, designed to provide powerful illumination for any task. Compatible with the full range of CRAFTSMAN 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, sold separately. It delivers cordless convenience and long-lasting performance. With 2 adjustable brightness levels, you can switch between 2,000 lumens for maximum visibility or 1,000 lumens for extended runtime, making it suitable for both heavy-duty projects and everyday use. Built with durable PC and ABS materials, it features oversized grooved fins for rapid heat dissipation, ensuring safety and a longer lifespan. Its integrated hook and clamp offer flexible mounting options, making it perfect for construction sites, automotive repairs, or home improvement tasks. Compact, durable, and efficient, the CRAFTSMAN Worklight is a must-have addition to any toolbox. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and beginner-friendly mini tool priced at $27, designed to bring precision and convenience to all your DIY projects. Equipped with 69 popular accessories, it handles carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, and cutting with ease, making it a complete toolkit in one compact package. With 5 adjustable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it offers controlled performance for different tasks, from delicate sanding to light cutting. Lightweight and pen-sized, it provides exceptional comfort and accuracy, perfect for detailed work such as resin crafts. Powered by a 3.7-volt rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 200 minutes of runtime and recharges quickly via USB. The built-in LED indicator light illuminates dark spots for more precise results. Compact, quiet, and easy to use, the HARDELL Rotary Tool is ideal for hobbyists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts who want professional results without bulky equipment.